Alright everyone, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle and I am happy to be with y'all. If you haven't been checking out your news, you may want to, because Shawnee, Oklahoma and surrounding areas over here, we were hit with several tornadoes that did extensive damage. I got lucky. A lot of people around me were not so lucky. There's still a whole lot of power poles down. Widespread damage. I mean, most of the area around here looks like bombs hit it. It's pretty bad. So yeah, I'm one of the fortunate ones. Made it through. I do have power back on. I was without for about 24 hours, which isn't bad considering the damage that's done. I'm kind of thinking it might go off and back on again as they do service on the lines. But any hoodles, yeah. Lots and lots of damage around here from the tornadoes. So, here we go. We've got 3 more additions to my round, what we call round body padlocks, like this. The rounded body padlocks, not the round padlocks. Rounded body padlocks. 3 new additions to my extensive collection. I'm going to leave a link down in the description section of this video. I'll leave a link for the video that I did on the collection at that time. It's grown since then, and it's grown more now. So what do we have here? First of all, I want to thank Jay. He goes by J Gabriel on YouTube. He helped me find these locks. He didn't want to take anything for them, but I insisted that he did. That's the way Jay is, but I sent him something anyways. He didn't want it, but any hoodles. Bluekey Security. Probably a real generic, I'm guessing, with a name stamped on there. 55mm. MS-RS55-KA, probably key to like. Maximum security. Yeah, I'm sure it is. And then this one, that one's maximum security. This one is top security. Sure, we've seen these around. Yeah, top security, blah, blah, blah. 65mm. Top security padlock. Fixed most storefront gates. Truck, stainless steel armor, outer shell. Hardened steel shackle. Manufactured for, in USA. Made in China. Alrighty. Does this one say where it's made at? Topsecurity.com. It does not. 5-pin cylinder. Doesn't say where it's made at. I don't think. UK maybe right there. UK. And then we've got this one that I've been wanting a long time. Now, dual custody, sort of. I was a little let down by this because I thought it was literally dual custody, and it's kind of not. It's just 2 custody. I don't know what you want to call it, but either set of keys, they are different. It does have 2 separate cylinders in it, like kick cylinders, and they are keyed different, but any one will open the lock. So this one will open the lock. This one doesn't fit that side, but this one will also open the lock. You don't need both keys. I was kind of hoping you needed both keys, but either way, and this uses, actually, they're quick set style keyways. The cylinders are. So it's a quick set style key. The key type. But, so I figured we'd just start over here and work our way down, because I really, as I said, mentioned about the tornadoes and whatnot, I've been kind of busy. So I want to dig into this one a little bit more before we get to it, because it's really, really cool. So we're just going to start over here. So let me move these aside. And let's just pop this puppy out of here. This Bluekey. Okay, it's a little smaller too. The body's smaller than most of them. You see that? It's like a little baby one almost. A lot of glare from that light too. Sorry about that. And there are the keys. I'm trying to count cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it did say that, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Somewhere. Yeah, 5-pin cylinder. Hello. See where my head's at today. double ball locking, and we can remove the cylinder. So let's see what it takes to pop it and see what's under the hood. What do you say? Remember Bosnian Bill said keys? We don't need no stinking keys. Grab a tensioner, and I'm just going to grab, let me just grab one of these Praxis from the Dangerfield Praxis. Just a short hook sort of right there. This one's in 23 thousandths. Just pop this up here. And see if we can't pop this puppy. Feeling for the first binder. That one's not it. This one's it. There goes that. Next binder. I felt okay. Feels like we're moving in a row here. Feels set. That one doesn't want to set, so I'm missing something here. That one's set. That one's set. Oh, that wasn't. That was overset. Let's do that again. There we go. That was a nice click. Five, 4, 3. Oof. I'm wondering, oh my goodness, there we go. I'm wondering if it's got them really, really bad pins in there. You know what I'm talking about? The like fake security pins that look like they melted. Let's find out. Let's grab a screwdriver here. Bada boom, bada bing. Magic words, right? Let's see what we got under the hood. But yeah, y'all, if you want to see what I'm talking about, if you haven't yet, just check out the news for Shawnee, Oklahoma and the surrounding areas, and you will see the devastation. It's so widespread. I feel for so many people out there. Many people, you know, are, and there was a couple, I think there was a couple of fatalities, actually. There was tractor trailers just down the street from me. 3 tractor trailers sitting on their side. The whole thing, truck, trailer, everything. I heard they had to rescue one of the drivers that was sleeping in the cab out of the truck. Yeah, all right, pinning tray. Just craziness. I can't pop this puppy easily. Ping! Alright, so we're going to need a key. We are going to need a shim. Always, always, always use a shim. There we go. And a small follower. Hopefully this one's going to fit. Bada boom, bada bang, baby. All right. Yep, 5-pinner. It looks like they could have made 6 in there. You see that? That 6th spot is almost, it's got a little divot in there. Nice and carefully, but nice bitting on the lock. Got to give it that. All right, so you know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to speed this up a little bit because this is highly boring, and enjoy the music, and we'll be right back. right, so we are back, and I noticed, remember I mentioned something about that little divot in that, let me grab a pointer here. So that little divot in, say, chamber almost, number 6, right there. It's used as like a locator. So when the lock is straight up in the correct position, that ball bearing, spring-loaded ball bearing right there, clicks into that little divot. A little teeny tiny ball bearing. So that's what that was for. So it just kind of brings it back to home, if you will. So pretty neat. Don't see many of those. But a little let down here on the pins because we have all, there went that ball bearing. I'll find, here it is. All standard pins. All standard pins. Let me zoom in on that a little tad bit for you if I can. All standard. So yeah, a little let down with that. But since these locks are rekeyable, obviously can be disassembled, you can repin it if you wanted to. So there it is. That is the Bluekey MS-RS55-KA maximum security. Yeah, maximum security? Really? All right, that's it. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I highly appreciate it. Jay, thank you so much for helping me locate the locks. I do appreciate it very much. So, yeah, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed yet, remember you need to do so because all the cool people are doing it, and you don't want to be left out. Thank you.